Shai Watermelon Crunch. So cute! Hey guys, welcome to Shai Watermelon Crunch, and look at this ginormous Season 7 20-pack. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to open it. Here's two cuties. And it's 20 Shopkins from Season 7. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I bet some Shopkins are gonna come in to see new friends. So, look, I got my handy dandy scissors back. Okay, open this up. There's some tape a little bit here. Wait, is there more tape? No more tape. Oh my gosh. Oh, we need to cut out the cardboard thing. There you go. There we go. Okay. Open it up! Open it! There we go. Oh, this was destroying it. Okay. Okay, now let's get the tape. Okay, let's get the tape off. Okay, let's just open it up. Just open it up. Open it up! Look how cute! Oh my gosh! Look how cute! Ah! Presents! Oh my gosh! They come in presents! Oh my gosh! This is amazing! Oh my gosh! I did not know that they come in presents. Gosh! Look at this! There's a pink one and a purple one. Oh my gosh! The Shopkins! Oh my gosh! There's a cake and there's a shirt. Oh my gosh! Look how cute! Here's the cake. Oh, let's see. If there's 9, then it's perfect because it's my birthday and I already turned 9 on February 16th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's only 5, but that's okay. Ooh, there's a shirt with I think it's a rainbow. Ooh, it's purple, my favorite color. Okay. Now, let's open this ginormous 20-pack of Season 7. Oh, I already see sparklies. Ooh. Or like kind of sparkly things. Oh, upside down. But look how cute, anyways. Oh my gosh! Cute! Oh my gosh! Look how much Shopkins! Okay, here's the list. Here's some 2 more surprises. Oh my gosh! Okay, the 2. Let me get these 2. So the first 2. Get the first 2 out of here. Oh my gosh, look at this! Look at it's sunglasses. And here's like a cake. Oh, look at the holes under that. There's a hole in here? This is a big hole. Oh my gosh. Okay, put it with these Shopkins. The next 2. Let's do it by 4. There we go. Oh, look, it's a butterfly. No, it's not a butterfly, it's a wing. But look how cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a diamond. Wow, look how good that is. It's purple. A cake. Oh, yummy. Ooh, it's see-through. Yummy. Okay, let's go again. 4 by 4. Get this pink one out. Like a cake or something, like a patty cake or something. Oh, look at this ginormous. I think it's a cheese. It's a cheese. It's like ice cream, cotton candy. It's cotton candy for sure. And, oh, like a bowl of candy. And, oh, a purse. Oh, I thought this was a cake. I mean a cheese, but it's cake. It was just yellow, so I didn't know. Okay, let's just take them all out. There's just a little bit more. Just take all the Shopkins out, the rest of the Shopkins out. Okay, let's take all the Shopkins out, the rest of the Shopkins out, and these presents too. Let's get these presents out. Oh my gosh! How are we gonna open this? Oh my gosh, I got the pink one already, but I can't get this one off. Okay, I'm just gonna, whoa, oh my gosh. Okay, let's scoot this over. Let's take the Shopkins. Oh, it's another cake. We got lots of cakes. Oh, this goes perfect for these. Oh my gosh. This is a crazy shoe. Oh, it's a slipper. Oh, it's a sleeping bag. And I'm not sure. It's like a purse or something. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Now let's open these surprises. Surprises. Okay, there's something in here. Is there something in here? Nope. There's there's two. Okay, let's get this pink one. Oh yay, they have tear strip. Let's see which one's this one. Ooh. Ooh, is this a pineapple? No. I was like, what? That's a pineapple. It is not. It's like flowers. Ooh, look how cute. It has sunglasses. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. They're two little together, and they're, oh my gosh, they're candles, and that's a cute one. Anyways, I hope you like this video of the prizes, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, click on that like button, and oh, whoa, Cookie, what are you doing in here? Oh my gosh, there's season 7 Shopkins already! Presents! Oh my gosh! Sparkly! Oh my god! I can't wait to do videos with you again! Oh, I really want to do videos with you. Well, I was just gonna say bye. You can say bye to the Watermelon fans. Okay, bye Watermelon fans! I hope you subscribe. Click on that like button, leave a comment, request, and please be a viewer and subscribe.